Hey folks, we're on Royal Caribbean's Independence of the Seas. Today we're going to be doing a room tour of a junior suite, ocean view balcony. This is the 10th floor, room 1294. As you get inside, all your important safety muster information, of course, on the back of the door. We are located right here, so in that area right there. You also have a couple of important items here. If you're out of your room, you can use this sticker. Actually, it's a magnet. Put that on the outside of the door. More importantly, when you're sleeping, taking a shower, etc., and you don't want anybody to disturb you, here's a magnet for sleeping off the Adventure. Put that on the outside of the door, and you will not be disturbed. We'll go into the bathroom here. Again, this is suite class on Independence of the Seas. This is a junior suite, so you'll notice the upgraded amenities immediately when you walk into the bathroom. You've got granite countertops. You also have full tub and shower, which is a wonderful amenity, especially if you're tall like I am. At 6'2", getting in those little semicircular showers can prove to be a challenge. You also have complimentary body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Got storage here on both sides. Got a couple towel hooks, good for wet towels or wet swimsuits. There's your on-off switch for the bathroom. You have a full-size mirror right here. And let's take a look at the closet. Now, this is a true walk-in closet. We've got our robes here. If you need extra space to hang clothing, these both come down. And you have floor-to-ceiling shelving. You are not going to run out of space in this closet. All right, as we get into the heart of the room here, open up, you've got a storage area. You have a larger safe. Junior suites and above here on Independence of the Seas do have a larger safe, which is nice. You've got your vanity here, as well as more storage here, standard dresser area. Here in the center, you have the information for room service. If you want to have breakfast, just put this on the outside of your door. You just fill out your room number and the number of guests, the time that you want it delivered. On the inside, you have two options. Continental breakfast along the left side is complimentary. The American breakfast on the right side, there is an additional fee. Simply place a check beside what you wish to have delivered, and it'll be right there in your room in the morning. Got some more storage here on this side. For those of you wondering, do they have hair dryers? There's your answer. They do. Down here on the bottom, we have the mini fridge. Also have an espresso machine and the television. It's one of the smaller televisions that I've seen actually in a suite, but it does pull away from the wall. You can adjust it, fully adjustable. Have a little shelf there. Also have a little chair with ottoman. And I will call this a love seat. It does not pull out. This is a two-person junior suite. Little coffee table there. Standard Royal King. Got a nightstand on either side. Some lights here. Now on this side, little cruise hack, you have your telephone. If you look on the side of that telephone, you have a USB port there. Great place to charge your phone or other wireless devices. And let's take a look out here on the balcony. Now, with this being a suite, this is an upgraded balcony. You can notice it's much larger than a standard Ocean View balcony room. You have 2 chairs here with a little bistro table. You also have 2 full lounge chairs here on this side. Today we're going out of the Port of Miami. Beautiful February day. This week we'll be going to Coco Cay, Jamaica, Grand Cayman, and Cozumel. There's the Miami skyline off in the distance. Now you'll notice on the top here there is a light outside here for the Ocean View balcony room, the junior suite rather. The switch for that is just inside the door. And finishing out this tour, you'll notice that there is a curtain here. If you wish to have some more privacy, you simply pull this curtain along here, blocks a little bit of the sun. And that is Junior Suite 1294 on floor 10 of Royal Caribbean's Independence of the Seas. If anybody has any questions, comments, feel free to leave a comment down below. Smash that thumbs up button and subscribe if you would. It's free to do so. It really helps me out. Again, if anyone has any questions, comments, I'd be happy to answer. Do room tours on every ship that I sail. And with that, happy sailing.